can. This a food that I will be the nicest food you ever eat from your barn until now. Me I make sure.
Season up a lobster.
Yeah, man, that is.
Compare. Thing.
What about this wool? No, that one.
My beans, man.
No. You think you don't? I think you don't. Very great job.
Buy food. 25 years. Which 25
I must say you start washing, no, you hear the bar.
If me not win that game, I change my name.
Alright. The errands, well, they're good.
Uno just rest quarter cinco say, boy, this man him dead this. You can't in the kitchen and not drink.
No, man. So,
So we get turn on the camera. How?
Yeah, man. Turn them?
Yeah, man, I turn them. You're in the kitchen and cook. You have a whole of vibes. You have to have underneath some influence. You don't see me like you eat raw. Huh? Like that now. Bar time. Golden brown.
Oh, I saw it some way.
I wonder if you can cook. Yeah, man, simple it, eh?
Could I take some more?
The butter to give it a nice flavor.
Marinated them?
Yeah, man. This is our first guess. Our food taste.
Thing shot, bro.
Thing shot?
Yeah, peeps, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a cookout at Villa Buff Bay Farm. Yeah, man, we're going to show now around. They here with the boys, them. Right with Tamar. Don't know Daniel they here, so.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we're going to cook up a storm in the kitchen. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Some nice barracuda with white rice.
Yeah, man. See, man. We already have the barracuda slice up. See them here slice up. So we just have to get them washed off and seasoned. So we have a natural seasoning here. So.
I want you to go epic, man. As we said, we are going to show now around the place. Nice villa one that can
Yeah,
come.
man, nice place, man. Nice place. We're going to take one around in the building and then we're going to show you the link where you can use to book the place or if you don't want the
yeah, man. And a nice sea view too. So who want to come fish or camp and so here's a spot, man. Perfect. And we live close by. Yeah, man.
Stay tuned. You know say we're in the kitchen.
I like your figure. Look for yourself, man. I like your figure.
Me not forgot. I was a one team.
Oh, boom. Or Daniel forgot. I must have forgot.
Daniel forgot?
No, sir, I don't forget.
Alright, well, they clean up the meat, them still slice them off a little excess film and then season them up and then get the pot cracking. So, I shall do that. Let me see what you have over there already. We have both of the farms, villa. So anytime we want an Airbnb, we can check in. Uncle.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I'm done as well. Life with camera,
Yeah, man, we are going to show you on the place, man. A nice place where you can come spend on the time when you come to Jamaica. Or even if you don't want a little getaway, you can book in here. So we're going
we're there close by.
Yeah, man.
We're there close by, so now still can go see what they're camping, cooking, everything.
Yeah, man.
That's a nice spot.
Yeah, man.
So far, we have some of the bar we clean up and I will season up and all, so we just get ready to do that. So Daniel there now, I wash off the meat board.
Cleanliness of water, godliness.
Right, same so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, guys, Buff Bay Farm Villa. Yeah, man, a place to be. Nice sea view. I can also go up on the top. So we can cook out on the top, you know.
Wash the pot. Put your rice in it because you know, say, you have to clean up the kitchen and make sure everything's clean up. Plug it in inside.
Yeah, man. See where side go.
And then we have to season up the meat right now. Not itchy.
No, itchy.
But we're there in the kitchen look too long. See how all work, eh?
Uncle chill.
You just walk up and down.
I always blame Uncle Chicken.
Tell me when I don't know. Daniel, tell me when I
But the people
I look for you.
Comment.
stand up and look for you.
Alright, they win. But we know they still have a beat him. I'm going to give that one now.
Alright.
No deal with that now.
Wash the rice and put it on.
The season official?
Well, I'm not starting, no? I don't know.
That's it, you know. Daniel, I cut up a vegetable here.
No, I'm not cut off it because you need to give me space to do it, man.
Come on, I excuse you.
No, man, I start.
Yeah, man, so we're there. So, Uncle Chip, I go put some time in the kitchen now, give them a strength. Because they need it, right?
Yeah, because you've been around out there, over there, up there.
Yo, I'm off you out there. Come look on the view. Come look here. No, good on that one.
No, I don't wait up my
Come on,
foot
see
cause
slippers
rain.
there. I'm complain about look of rain.
No, because I don't wait up in the
No, I'm
house.
complain
Oh,
about look
the
of rain.
nice
It's
too.
soft, man.
All in scenery there.
Deceive you.
Yeah, man, I want to have anytime we come up here back again, we don't know it's a different ball game. Because one hour will come.
Yeah, man.
And booking, and we'll probably be one of the best chef who to tell.
No,
We
that's
never
a sure
know.
thing.
Nice, man. Yeah, man, so this is the final peeling and preparing, so stay tuned.
Like cut my onion in small, you know, thin. You see me?
No, if you use knife, man. You're hot, man, too.
And like drop.
Yeah, man, it's like Irish, you see me?
Yeah, man, so we are season up the barracuda. Well spicy, you know, so we use real good season.
Just say best.
The best, super best. Everything we have to say super, you know.
I'm trying to make them say nice texture, bar. And peeps, we can already cook up your phone and just
Yeah, man.
book
Then that's
in
a
and
request.
thing. Yeah, man.
Just request it, don't
Yeah, man.
you? know,
Simple as
say,
that.
we have the best meal around for
I'm
them.
not joking, the best set of chef then. I see Daniel right here, so that excellent job. What I'm doing hot.
Hey, don't forget, you know, Buff Bay Farms Villa. You know, check them out now, man.
Repeat, please and thank you,
Buff
sir.
Bay Farms Villa. Yeah, man, you check them out. I'm going to show you a link still, man. We're going to snip it in this. You know, look sideways and I'm going to see it.
So this amount of meeting season Friday.
So I now do a good job.
Yeah, you had an excellent job.
Oh.
Uncle now beat him on that one. Daniel now, I feel like Daniel the ears a little bit too long. But guess what, I'm going to do an excellent job. So, I'm going to do a very good job.
Knife extra sharp, man, so I take time now.
Are you extra slow?
No, man, the knife extra sharp, man.
You know, used to them side the knife.
You know, use the sharp things.
No, those things I use.
You know, drink up a soap. Come on.
Alright, yo, I make one soup named Daniel Back Builder.
Like Bob the Builder.
Same so.
I can't wait for taste, you know.
What? It's so real.
Where get that story left from?
Yo,
Where get that story left from? We not come up on case now. I have to tell you, where get that story?
yo, me not tell no everybody watch social media, so no must. You know, obviously.
You know where you get it? Me don't know where you get it. But peeps, every minute we are down video, this man about so real. So.
Sometimes like even say it, you know, me just say like so, and me say all of them just crack up and me say
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
man.
They have a good time still. For sure, man, though.
I'll show you now.
Drink.
Man want drink.
Man, this man, though.
But you know, so I sin for his chef
Nah.
a cook, his chef start up something and he not drink nothing.
No man cannot start. You only put up on fire and around me and lick it up.
Alright. Like,
No lick. Sip, sip, sip.
sweet him. Daniel, what you say, man, though?
Lick.
Daniel, they do an excellent job. Uncle Daniel.
Yeah, man, I saw you things said, man. Go on, cut
Say
up the
cheese.
seasoning.
Cheese.
Alright, so we finish you know. Finish season up the fish them so. You know it's a ball game. I'll get the rice, wash and put it on. I'll ask Uncle Chip. Uncle Chip.
What Uncle Chip do now?
Ask if you put on the oil on the fire from the day before yesterday.
Yeah, man, about 3 hours ago.
Last week, yeah. From last week. But never have it.
Tell you one Uncle Chip you light the stove after everything, so then just a light it. Fire time.
Yeah, pressure man.
And look, this when you choose the light, when we done cut up the seasoning, and when they done seasoning.
Cause you know when I drink.
I don't drink.
I love the pot. Alright, Uncle.
Yeah,
Alright, Uncle.
Stop your
Me
face.
say you're rude.
Over there, the excellent chat.
Yeah man, definitely. You can't in the kitchen and not drink.
No man. So
So we can turn on the camera. How?
So how we made a drink, it's a issue. Come on, that's too much. That's too much. No man. Peeps, look look
No,
no,
man.
put the flat. I'm not think say I lean. I put the flat. And then drink out half a year while ago.
Me tell them something. You see when you're a chef or you're in a kitchen and cook, you have to hold our vibes. You have to have underneath some influence. The spirit of the pan. So see that?
Iron food too, you know.
Yeah. What? Not that.
Stone, you know. So yeah, drink here.
No, man, I go for mine one.
So I'm going to share for you?
Yeah,
Take time with him, because I remember saying young, you know, how much?
25.
Yeah.
Sweet him. Much you want?
True, man. Yeah.
Ball out.
Yeah, man.
You want chaser?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You don't like your
No.
See chaser, yeah.
You can't drink everything raw.
Okay, good. That's no we see why
Yeah,
you have
that good, that
no we
good.
see why you have that pink lip man. I just said that like I even said that like going on and none of it said So yeah man,
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
here.
I'm better to remember this. Garlic in
I
iPad.
just love that.
Yeah man, them are good
Explain why
people.
garlic in iPad.
The garlic give a fish a flavour where you can't get nowhere else but in a full kitchen.
Oh God, for sure.
With that confidence in everything we are doing on my own, I'm sure this a fish.
Look at that blink. And look with that dry eye.
See me eye there?
Yes, I know.
I kind of feel like I'm drunk.
She looking
Like.
at face.
I can barely hold my glass. I'm drunk already, you know? I'm drunk already.
Yo, no. Oh, you think you done enough? You think you done? I think you done. I complexion, I come now.
Yo,
I complexion, I come. Yo. Come there, me man. After
so you know me that was say? If you're not drinking, you're not chef.
Yo, I'm certainly got done it done.
Adapt me to what
What I could do on my second cup? Candy, you know?
Now like this iPad. This is life.
I don't joke.
This is life.
It's a life picture. Brother, just go see catch fish, come back, Coca-Cola vibe.
Guess them coming and
Yeah, man.
them more.
They want you up there, you up on the top. Remember the top? Yeah, man.
Yeah man, I remember you know, when you come to Jamaica, if you want you can just book in, just remember you can book in. And if you want personalized chef, we can do that for you. Team they are ready to deliver so.
Anything we want. If you want it fresh out, I say, like fresh, like
Fresh.
so fresh.
Fresh,
It
yes.
can be
Get
fresh,
to know
yeah.
and cook. No. We have that. I will also mobile, so we just eat well. Ball game. These are stir fry now. I like that. So fish soon stir fry. We just stay tuned. Uncle Chip at them. Smiley. No one else can cook. You can cook?
Them on fire. People them in the comment about this stuff for that you know what.
Look what you have in there. Barracuda. They look nice though.
And you gotta make them crispy brown, pretty brown.
Not pretty brown. Golden brown.
Pretty
See,
brown.
what's the current? Well, look like you're drunk too. You're drunk,
No,
you know?
man, I'm not drunk, man. But just tell us I have to carry him, of course.
Alright. Uncle Chip do an excellent job. Yeah, man.
Yeah, better.
I didn't tell me, say, don't make them the too spacey. So, and that
Don't
them
do
do.
the two spaces, I don't do the two close. Hold on.
Any-
Then. No, man, are you drunk? What me say? Me said no. I hear him down there.
You say you don't want them pack, yo. You say them pack you up. And you say you don't want them too spacey. I'm
If you
saying,
have a gap. See that little gap there? That little gap there?
what that? What that? It's sweet.
Hold on. Oh, the sprinkler.
Yeah, man. Just there going easy, you see me?
Watch it.
Come on.
See, man?
It's good, you know?
Daniel, ever come to help, you know? Rice. We use the best. So
I have a detail, it say best.
no, because we're not second for nothing low class. We have to use the what?
Best.
Best.
B-E.
STES. Just killing. Okay, man. Layers are the excellent job.
Yeah, man, we are washing, man. Motor machine. Stop it talking. Just one of them weird moments there. Say cheese.
25 years and done.
After I was 25 years. Which 25
I must
years?
say you start washing, now you hear the ball and all, so you hear the ground.
Me here, girl. Alright, so. Rice time. I wonder what should do with the butter. Come in hard, friend him.
When you wash, wash it.
Uncle Chip.
Babes.
Uncle Chip.
Alright, you see, anyone come wash again, me and him go off things and
Uncle
save
Chip.
that here. Oh, Uncle Chip are real apology.
Uncle Chip.
Yeah.
You have to talk to him real good.
Or not talk to me.
None
None at
at all.
all. Like, absolutely
So,
none.
this is one butter we normally use summertime. We kind of like it.
If we not use this, we use the coconut oil.
Or the coconut juice. We left out with signature coconut juice, the real
Yeah, no
authentic
matter for
coconut
butter,
juice.
because butter represents the oil.
Oh.
But differently, we normally use raw born coconut.
When you say raw, what you make it sound so?
But the raw,
You raw?
use filter pan
Alright,
your
so I put some scallion in our pot and little thyme. Because we like cook with rice with scallion and thyme. So see there? This is a pinch of scallion and thyme. Sorry.
Daniel, don't know me can take over. I'm gonna call pepper scallion times.
No, we can't nervous in our kitchen. So see scallion here now? Yeah, man. So I put little salt in there. Well, you know, some people have high blood pressure, so because we not cook for ourselves, we're going to use a little pinch of salt, not much.
It's
So
still
just
have a
stay tuned.
delicious.
I know if that one question. No, that one
Hold on,
question.
this
If is a must.
Like sour
This a
must.
food that will be the nicest food you ever eat from your barn until now. Me I make sure.
People that can't ever got this from there. They don't know again.
Buff beer. Buff beer.
Arms.
Alright. Now we
Finish
said
it.
no. Buff beer farms.
Yeah, what?
Villa.
I don't know
Or
if
you
you want to be a
if
part.
them-
Yeah,
you
man.
want
I'm
to
the one.
Airbnb.
Alright, you hear that? Off Bay Farms Villa.
Yeah man, Villa or Airbnb. Anyone you want type in, they up there.
I'll wait.
So bar there are fry. No buck chocolate. The rice with this one. Butter and way. The cheese.
Cheese.
They walk up.
But they take Uncle Chip, when we can't use now. Help me find out right there. When they take my phone now.
We take a phone and joke up walk out when you're ready.
You don't want this now, Uncle?
Yo, them season they can eat raw. Like that now.
I have mentioned Daniel. Try to hear.
Yeah, so the rice. I don't want to get itch up in the pot.
And I have to get soft.
No, I want to itch in the pot, it will burn.
Oh, they all look, brother.
Burn me little while my out.
A little oil bun you run from?
Tell the people that what one I'll go with me.
Man, then there's some true fish.
No, what go with me with the pot? You know, see, pot is I must look honest and say, that can look fun tomorrow. And this morning, and the man,
See what I see, man, I want to go flashing and I say,
come on, so.
We don't work with no burn now.
Right,
Bun.
sir. Bun. Alright, sir. Come on. How you do now?
Yeah, taste. You see, sometimes you just have a taste it.
Hello.
You see, if it's not salt in there,
Yeah.
you just want a pinch more. I put a pinch more in it. Yeah, man, that good.
So I'm going in the pot there.
Yeah, man. Oh, that steam on your rice. Nice, you know?
Yeah, man. Fish over here, so that's right. Vegetable is weight.
No, but wash your pot down, clean the cover and put it on it. Where they are, uncle?
It is an excellent.
Uncle, they are turning the barracuda then. Guys, we'll tell you it's a rolling down this. It's alone with it.
Isn't that gorgeous and delicious?
Yeah, man, so it's a one section of the place. Uncle!
One uncle chain.
Yeah, man, so that's a kitchen section. Another area over there. Fridge over there, so. See, you have a nice sitting area. You have a nice sitting area. And this is out from the balcony now. Nice little view outdoor, you know? Yeah, man. Nice place, man. You can come here and book on a night, you know, weekend. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. Nice area. So, no, if you don't like a place, you just eat like. Same so. All this. Just pop up out there.
Nice.
Yeah, man. The place sweet, man. The place.
As we say, can go upstairs as well. Go
Yeah, man, and if you don't forget, the place named Buff Bay Farms Villa.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. So you can, if you even type in Buff Bay Airbnb, it might pop up in a feed. So just you know, look of small feed around the place, you know. Nice place, man.
Yeah, man, so then I'm ready to take out.
Run and catch a pretty brown.
Golden. Come on, not so pretty. Golden.
Sorry to golden brown.
Yeah, man, so that is it, you know. You can drip off, so now I'll drip off a little bit. Yeah.
But wait, that's excellent jam.
You don't take them out?
Yeah, man, last on this, you know.
Yeah, man, golden brown.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, so the rest of barracuda. You know afraid of burn?
That's what we know that's what
I never get burned.
I have a question, you know, so I'm not like the last there.
No, I have a question in the show. You want to come with me? To your left, you have the bathroom. Nice open shower. Very clean and smell fresh. Newly built. It is newly built. See, you have a nice toilet bowl. Nice size, because you know some people.
Yeah, it was super.
Super. See, look over there. We don't have to explain. We don't have to explain. Because it's clean, super clean.
Yeah, man. Yeah, clean. I can see yourself. I reflect.
And we are going in a room now. We are going in a room now. I remember people above there, Farms Villa, just remember.
Yeah, man.
To your right, you have a nice glass
Yeah, man.
where you can put on your clothes and you can get dressed yourself and look and see how cute you is. If you're a woman, a man must say they're cute. So if you're a woman, you can look in a glass and say, I'm cute.
Yeah,
alright.
And Then here so now. 2 bed in the room here.
I remember I'm big, I have size. But the firm won't break down with them.
Yo. Can't tell if not to finish cooking.
I have a nice stand. Where you say you don't want to cook?
No man, I never finish cooking, man.
Nothing wrong, man. Uncle Chip lay down. Get comfortable. Get comfortable, uncle.
Super comfortable.
See there, a nice comfortable chair. You relax, cut your pen.
Out there's some peeps. You know,
Cut your pen and have your coffee. You can have your coffee right
back
there.
veranda, nice little back veranda.
Yeah, you can go have coffee around this little. Get the nice breeze. Real cool breeze. Authentic breeze.
Yeah, man,
so
no
it's nice.
smoke.
And test out the chair, show them
Man, Uncle Chip sit down on this. I'm going to stand on this like statue stuff for one day. Can't get no nice.
I remember people place freshly built. Fresh and clean. No front. We call it foul smell. Nothing like that. No, they are some.
Man, you can't go wrong. And I know now we are grown.
I mean, I say nothing more. More I want to come see for myself. Oh, the AC. Oh my God, the AC is so cold.
Hold on, like, so cool.
Yeah, man, see there, and everything I work. Boom. On, see that?
16, that's our freezer.
And they just turn on, just
Just
imagine.
turn on, just imagine.
Anyway, so I turn it off because I come out of the room, because we are cooking. You know, say we are cooking in the kitchen, so we don't have to tell you now, no see. Alright, in the kitchen we are going now.
No, we're checking the kitchen.
Yeah,
Peeps,
we'll
the
check
place
it.
super nice.
That's what we did, we are turn the fish in now. What? Burn me a lick, huh?
I lick her. You know about the eye, but it's scratch out, you know.
Yeah, man, but instead of spending some more time. You know, so I scratch out there, but you're not so bad, man.
Alright, so. Are you touching her? You are telling me?
No, man, you're not so bad.
I don't think so.
Golden brown, we say, but boy, we have so many things that go on with it. So now we still with it.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
All the things today are going on with it. And the fish look delicious. Daniel, what do you think?
Yeah, me, man, right now, I can't wait to taste it, you know. Yeah,
And
man.
let me make a taste piece.
Why?
Should I make a taste piece, don't?
Right now, my day, I wait to taste this fish now, the whole
Two
long.
taste piece, man. Give me my next 5 to 6 minutes.
Alright, so.
Father Daniel, we'll go see what Uncle Chip out there though.
So I got Uncle Chip. I want you to take in the view.
The view out here nice, looking down.
Oh, brother, it was cool and feeling nice.
See the lads them out here from the balcony.
Imagine up at 3rd floor now.
It a happen though. 3rd floor a go happen.
You up there? No, I want to go up there now.
No man, when we say 3rd floor, you know what I mean? Up there so now we can go have an open kitchen. Up there an open kitchen style. Yeah. Man.
Well, I must have out here and I look and I say, yo.
Yeah man, up here nice man. Nice. You no hurry up and book man, I wanna wait man. I should have book already.
Wait. Hold on, I'm not book yet.
Make sure no book, don't talk.
I look for boss.
Uncle Chip wants some ice. Look at
And a long time I need ice, you know.
You never know, sir. You never look.
One thing, always a thing.
Control.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. You done a super good job.
That's so no. Yeah,
Can't say it no better.
Yeah, man, I vibe in the kitchen.
You want
Man.
ice, Andre?
Yeah, man.
You need ice?
Ice
No,
you
you
gotta
can't
do
say
ice.
ice. You have to say Daniel.
Daniel, you need ice?
Ice in a cup, man. Ice in a cup.
Alright. And this we call this Campari. And thing.
You bought this car.
What? You not left it? Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. So the liquor going with the ice, the boss.
Big difference.
Super cool. I remember the place, and we use super cool thing, like I said, place super nice. I don't know what I mean. Because some we other things with this super good.
You check on the rice as in?
No man, we check on it. I think check on.
Alright.
Second check. That's why I can second check.
I'm second check here. What? Steam out water pot, man. Yeah, man. Soon done. Okay. Me does normally look on rice and know, say, yo, this soon done. Just a grain that me look on and know.
Oh, wait, this, watch Uncle Chip. Where am I going with this now?
Where am I going with that?
Watch ya.
Peeps, but have a look for some lobster.
I forget to put them in now.
Right. Hold on, you ready? You ready?
Well, me wash off this already, yeah. Well, me can cut it. I'm ready to cut one now. No. Right now. I don't know. You know. Me ever ready, you know. Ever ready. I found no say cooking, me in here and me not left it. See me knife and me not left it.
Hold on, no problem.
Yeah man. You know come with something so when I finish it off. See already fine. Are you get the lobster? What me I go do?
Sure.
Me then I have to cook.
Shell can suck. Like I see it with the shell.
Yeah man, so we are cleaning them up guys. We are cleaning them up and get them deals right now. Because Uncle Chip carry them come off and then carry them come is a task we get and we have to just carry out. No buck shuffle.
No problem.
We not suck no bone.
Over shell.
See that? We just have to clean them up, wash out the head part. You know?
What them your name?
Dodo.
No.
Them part here.
No,
Clean
Dodo
out.
that.
What that?
What call the...
What? His stomach.
What name there, The intestine. The intestine.
One thing, you know, we always have fun in our kitchen, you know, so we just stay tuned and watch what I go. We are cleaning them up and we are showing what I'm going after. Don't worry. Yeah, man. Uncle Chip, I hear time, you know.
You're right here, so
Yeah, man, take you up, man. Can I do my part of work, you do for you. We are continuing to do the good work. Excellent work. Yeah, man, super, see that? Skin it right out, see that? Skin it right out. All I meat I show. Oh, God.
Super.
Super. How are they are doing, uncle?
So they are clean up the place back. After you mess it up.
After we mess you up.
So then you wash off already.
So you go season them or you want me season them?
Understand season for them.
You want me season them or you want season them?
You can season them right now if you want.
Daniel,
Instead of fresh cheese.
your feet ain't good for the seasoning?
Well, I see something before and it tastes nice.
And it tastes nice.
So I'm gonna test him
Alright.
again.
Alright.
Super nice.
I'm going to test him again.
And over here, uncle. Chip.
Season up a lobster.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Daniel, you know, the rice look like it done? You want to taste it?
Yeah, man.
You want to taste it, Daniel?
Is the rice done?
Yeah, man. I look for it now. Look for it.
Alright.
Another that. Finish.
Alright, I want it, you know. And if you don't believe me, I go taste it, you know, see. I may not have a taste, look eh. Nice.
Yeah, man. So you go, man, but like Uncle Chipper doing the good job over here. So.
No.
Excellent. No, you can't say good.
Hey,
Excellent.
I mean, excellent job.
Yeah, say man, this me again, brother.
I mean, super excellent job.
Alright, fix him up good.
Yeah, like Uncle Chipper do a super
I'm
excellent
gonna
job.
turn on the oil right now because guess what? They want to fry right away. Right away, I go fry them.
Come on.
Then you're take season, you know, shell food, them man.
Uncle. Yeah, man, I order one uncle. I'm not calling last name.
Okay.
Look down in there. Beautiful lobster. And I do an excellent job.
You do that.
Uncle. Yeah, man. I owe that. One uncle. I'm not calling last name. Look down in there. Beautiful lobster. And I'm do an excellent job. One uncle. Yeah, man. Check out Uncle Chipper. And time season, so I will put it. I went there. I know you like it.
You never let us sit down.
Where are you over there to sit down? Tell me now. Where am I doing so? Where are they so? In junk, you know?
No, relax.
In junk, you know?
No junk, but me relax and have a nice time.
Yo, you know those something?
We can have a nice time.
What's it?
See a junk looking at them more than glassy.
Look there, look there.
Me nice, me not junk. Compare it to a
You
junk.
want pearl, sir.
Yo,
You can't, hold him. You can't walk straight, you know?
peeps, they don't want to say uncle a lot. But
You
anyway,
can't walk straight. Watch out.
look how
Balance, watch out.
I'm sure
Balance it, balance it.
I thought only one would be on the side long time about balance.
You want to dig me, huh?
Yeah. They don't want that.
Just check them, man. They're not ready to turn, man. Just like the whole of our trouble, man.
Some can go up, relax.
You can't have a fight. You can't take a fight. Yeah, man.
Turn them.
Yeah, man, I turn them. I don't want them too brown.
Want to push it right
Yeah, man. I want it juicy.
Full of juice.
Camera pan, I like when it's juicy. Yes,
You
juicy.
don't understand that, you know.
Well,
Daniel, come here, please. Don't thank you. You say I love it.
look on the lip and tell you all.
You look at my lip, I tell you all.
Yeah.
No, the man say, what you mean by juicy?
You know because your lip.
No,
tell
me
you.
don't know. Me can't know.
You don't know?
Me don't know what me know. You
Where you
tell
know?
me,
I tell me you know.
That's the one. Look at this. All the half from it. That's what I'm going to
Alright.
do. Say right on the customer. I'm saying this.
Get this a napkin to put it on it.
No,
Get this a napkin.
Let me napkin. No, more water.
What?
That's how I love it. Get the napkin. Can I sushi?
You can love it raw.
you love it right now. Let's see. We'll try it now, Uncle Chip.
Man, try raw. The piece, man, try the piece of raw.
Look around. I'm sure.
Nice?
Put on a piece of it.
Well, me have to go taste it then. Me have to go taste it though.
You know what I'm going to tell us? I put piece more on it. I get a small piece of it. I'll go there.
Me have to go do? The piece though?
A small piece of it.
Yo, nah, like, it's nice smell. Real good, you know. Look like you do an excellent job though.
Yeah, come on, big one.
No, a little bit and too much. Come, take this there. I'm one piece. Don't eat it up, you know.
You know, you gotta take a small piece.
Good small piece.
Remember when I have to save mine too, you know, because if we not go and so,
Yeah,
if we not go and so say it's so nice, me not have to try it too, man.
Alright. We're going to make you try it.
Yeah, man. So
Nah,
put
let's see what you know, Uncle Daniel.
Oh, sorry, can't let me.
oh, nice one.
Nice. Alright, rate you that 10.
Super nice. I'm not
Rate you that 10.
I'm say super nice.
Eliminate all that. Eliminate
I
the...
said 10 and this is not this thing.
They say fasted.
Please, remember now. If you probably say something super nice, yeah man, big buck. Yeah,
Right.
getting a nice one.
Right, sir.
How about you let me do that spoil?
It's nice to show, man. You can see. You know the taste.
Okay, go taste it. Go taste and look at me.
So I get the
Now take piece out of that.
2 piece one. Where my hold? Watch out. 2 piece me I taste. I can't taste one. You want one for yourself.
One mile thing.
Nice one. Uncle Chip say, man, take out the sit name now. I don't know. What their name? Because I say sit now, what their name?
Crayfish.
Them a look like crayfish too, no?
Lobster guys, just kill them.
Okay. Because I know I say about no crayfish and no lobster. Decent. Sweet.
Oh, look at that. Super sweet. Seal. I mean,
Yeah, man. I remember both there. Farms. Villa. I know I forget the last part, right?
Say it again, Uncle Phil.
Both the Farms Villa. I say it fast. Because some people kind of slow, so I have to say it fast.
Some people kind of fast, you have to say it slow.
Multi. See there, guys. Nice. Trust me. Delicious is an understatement.
What?
What is his name?
You tell me.
Lobster.
The mouth full, the can't talk.
The mouth full. So you have one like you're not afraid of burn. And you ever in your video say, yo, you know so I'm not afraid of burn and me a bad boy and me a this and me a that. Me not afraid of look there. See there? Watch it. Watch it. What do you think me start? I'm gonna have something no bone and that Uncle Worm said.
Oh, the shell. Look on the texture, guys.
Golden cuisine.
Exquisite. Look on the texture, guys.
Golden cuisine.
Exquisite.
So, you please don't worry. Got your man.
But no, that one.
Please, man.
No, enough, that one. You know? Sharing is caring, don't get me wrong, but enough. I don't know if I want to give my brother one. I don't want to give him no fribble label. I want to give him a solid one. Instead of
The last alright, let me take over, go on.
Instead of, help me.
Instead of take one, let me take one, watch out.
Yeah, oh, remember me I say, instead of me not give him pace, I fight him to take one all I want.
I told you to be nice to the people. You not take us serious, no. You always have fun. Trust me. It's our everyday life.
Straight now back, we're not going nowhere. My freestyle, for Daniel, I'm a freestyle.
Uno freestyle.
Go on, let me say, I tell you.
Come, yeah, give me a rhythm, give me a rhythm, like.
Give me a rhythm.
Uno just stress quarter cinco say, boy this man him dead the same though, him this. Look how easy him life out. Back up our police are shouting a armored jeep and armored coat from Backbush, Tel Aviv and Rockford. Yeah, one life with Kemmer, yeah. One life with Kemmer, yeah. Yo, me multi-talented.
Yo, any station you're gonna hear, after the panic.
Yeah, man, I don't know. ABC.
Like, make a beat the 1, 2, 3.
What? Oh, alright, you want my next one?
I'm gonna.
Nah, give no more, no laugh. Music.
Boy, it's hot.
No idea.
No, it's not that much shape. The sun also. The sun also. The sun also.
I'm not hearing no music. How any music?
Go on. I still put move that. I still put move that. That hip.
My head, my
Sure,
shoulder, my
my
knee.
hip.
Something is that. You can't say that get something
Yeah,
else.
so I say, yo. I say, head, I shoulder, man. Yo. Even though me and I link my spirit,
Oh, that excellent job.
super excellent.
Sorry, sir.
Alright, you see this now? This is butter. I'll cook them and season them in the butter. The butter, instead I use oil, I use the butter to give it a nice flavor.
Marinated them.
Yeah, man. Okay, see
Put it as steam down.
that?
It break down into liquid.
Yeah, so. And when it melt down now, I just put the butter in the seasoning on it. And season them. And put down the seasoning. And then we place the slice, bar slice them in it. Trust me, it's finger licking good.
Phenomenal.
I'm more than phenomenal, super nominal. If there is a word like that.
Well, we create things, you know.
Yeah, man, so.
Right now, this look better than better.
And you tell yourself it's a super. So it's super better.
Exactly. Thanks for the correction. Oh, I said get up, man. Get up.
Yeah, man, I know so need that come.
6 o'clock, get up.
Yeah, man, you bitch, man.
Get up.
You bitch. I know so need that come.
Get up, man.
You know what's
You know I'm asleep? No one asleep. No one asleep. What kind of know that? You don't know no.
I know so not go come video, that's why I check me eye. Come here,
You're that sleep, so stop it. Bar time. Golden brown.
Yeah, man, so we are going to do now.
We are put them down in a sauce.
They're going to simmer.
You want none to eat fry?
Simmer them down.
Simmer everything.
I left one look up piece, uncle.
No, me want piece though. Just glad you say it. Me a look company.
The hands. Well, they're good.
So just left one nice piece, come on, piece though.
Who want piece?
Yeah, go sleep.
One
Go on,
down.
go sleep.
You just see my sleep, you know?
I know and jump up.
I put on, get piece of napkin and put on a piece of where I go eat. Cause you just get here talking. Put it on us. Is it true you say one piece or two pieces and put on?
I'm going to put down the next piece now because that's my piece of the chef here, if I don't like yes.
I don't talk with you, you know?
Put down the next piece over there, man. The next piece.
This?
Yeah. Yeah, man. Excellent.
Yes, sir. You do an excellent job?
Yeah, super excellent.
Right, sir. Have you set them in a pattern because we don't want to leave nothing unturned.
No for we love it.
We don't have a public business, you never know.
True, man.
Seal is seal. Yeah, man.
Yes.
Barracuda.
Golden brown barracuda, sweet.
And some people say they're afraid that guy full of toxin, but we're not afraid of barracuda. Any barracuda we catch, it half a good.
A good one is that we raise them. Come back, we line up then again.
Yes, really good. You do an excellent job.
Super excellent. I'm not gonna tell them again.
Uncle Kemar season really good.
Yeah, guys, how not good?
They are, you know, they are Buff Bay.
Yeah, man, so this is another
Buff Bay
room.
Farms Villa.
Above Bay Farms Villa, this is another room. Nice, exquisite, wonderful, gorgeous, everything in one. That's
Yeah, man, and it smells fresh.
refreshing.
Yeah, man.
Super refreshing.
Super. Even though me and my Pelico, guys, trust me, you see this, like words can't express.
Words can't express it.
And the cleanest little
what the hell is
Airbnb
this,
villa
man?
me ever buck up, you know.
I'm
Me
not
not
sure.
left here, you know. I hear some me live.
You glow down. Out there, kind of like a house, you know?
When I wake in the morning, you see the nice, pretty
I'll start
sunshine.
this pull from again.
Yeah, man. When I wake up in the morning, you can just pull and you see nice. The sunshine just greet you from the east side of the island.
Alright, the moon just have come up and not that bright as yet. A nice sea morning view and so, yeah man people. As I say, I'm saying nice, super nice.
Another thing I want to tell people, you see the place have eater. So someone will come to Jamaica and I use the villa them or the Airbnb them and a pure cold water come out for you. This have warm shower. Warm water the right
Yeah
through
man,
the house.
you're not worried about cold. All the cold water you feel, if you want to feel, when you go river.
And if you want to feel anything cold, see it out there, sir. The
Yeah man, see
AC.
that?
Yeah, man.
Right,
Nice,
it's a nice walk-in closet.
And the TV I work, internet there, right through. So if you want to do a transaction on the internet, you want to reach out to your loved one, you not have to say, oh my God, my phone, me never roam my phone.
Yeah, yeah.
Internet there right there, so. So,
Look
that's
here.
nice, classic.
Isn't this
walk-in.
gorgeous?
Trust me, it's a home away from home.
I'm not going to the kitchen again.
Well, see there? You can see. We are
Yeah,
check.
we are going
We are
with
check. Osha eating just love it. I wonder if I want the food in love it.
I
So.
love eat everything, man. Anything in the mind, man. Yeah, man, I'm
Yo,
that.
this this delicious, you know. Me not
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah,
What
I'm
food
gonna
now?
try.
Me I tell you. This look delicious, brother. Look there. Show them down there. Look down in the pot. Tell me if you don't want a piece of this. Seal is seal.
Right now, I can't wait for you done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Yo, man, do anything we go back. Yo, we can kick off to domino game, you know.
Oh yeah, we can play domino. Yeah, we can play
Right
domino.
now, yeah, man, we are running on my domino, man. I mean, I give them 6.
Who you get 6?
6 love.
Maybe I look for you, because you can give me 6, you know.
Alright.
Give me 6 minutes, I'm not
I'll cut it this, so y'all see.
We are on road again, so.
Mother, let them know how.
Who get double 6? Pause. Who get double 6? Like big man in our place.
I'm gonna get double 6.
Pause, no? Oh, keep that quiet.
You get double 6?
Who get
You get
double
double
6?
6.
Why me?
No.
You know, I love your spirit. You never remind me to drink mine. Because I'm drunk already, you know.
Well, you don't see how that dilute over time.
Dilute, man. I reach that rich. You reach the change for that.
I know, so I'm 6. you know.
Double 6, see that? What I got so? Daniel play.
Alright, you know, man.
Right. But you can go so, I want to do something now.
Oh, anyway.
Alright, that. No, double 6. My beer that. And the engine now. Chop the throat.
I mean, I win the first game. I win the first game.
Oh.
Good
Pass.
play.
Pass.
What the man?
I saw me go lash him.
Set that. It's not easy.
Daniel and shit this
You don't look at me and because I have a style when I move when I look at me and Come in the kitchen, me I sweat.
Ease up on Size here.
Yeah, man.
Go on the engine, let me see where I make all that.
The energy is soft, man. You give him a play.
My dad.
And then give me 2-4. Alright. Let me see if he has.
2-4.
No do him back. Just say a pass.
Me? No, no.
Oh. Let me have a piece of that and piece of that.
That's your man, that's your man.
6, no? The energy pass.
The pass?
Me know.
Yo! Uncle
You
Jim
know
get
your
it.
pass, man.
No matter what, I can't get a pass.
You have to set up
I'm
yourself.
comes
I
down.
bet anything when you play a pass him. I
I'm
bet.
comes down turn over my hand.
Wow.
I pass him. I'm comes down turn over my hand. I can't pass.
I'm a controller game, man. I know I talk too low over there.
Shut up, man. Take a play.
Take one play.
1.
One play out. So I can sit you in. Daniel,
Daniel,
you want me pass him?
Yeah, man.
Pass
Sure.
him, lick him.
Play.
I'm going to play. Take a play. You have a game, man. You have something you can play. Push.
Look at your techniques up here. Pass.
Now you see
You
you
know,
can't
man.
pass.
You know me I set up one on one. And me control the game, you know. And me have a game now. Are you pose or me have a pose?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
You
Change.
pass.
Now, man, in a pass, man, you have to change that number.
After.
Come on. Just
Alright, watch out. I better me pass him. Better me pass him.
You can't give me pass, boy. You have to go down there.
Bet. You can't pass him.
Alright, play that so.
I couldn't play that
No,
song.
me I can't play.
No, I couldn't play it. I couldn't play so that's why I meant to say
Yeah,
you have
yeah,
to pull that down here, so you have to pull the deuce down here, so.
I said, I'm going to mash up somebody wicked.
If me no win that game, I change my name.
Alright. Alright. Time shield him now.
Still, keep on changing.
Up on
Time
there.
shield him. Go on.
You don't want to see, man. Don't show me.
Go on.
Don't show
Watch him
me.
have to play now. Watch out.
Play.
Play now.
Pass.
Pull
now.
that chat
Go
down.
on. Play now.
Pull that chat down.
Pass now.
Hey,
You
Guys, I can bet $1 million US me have to win.
Play.
And me control the game.
No, play.
One for place, you know. One for place.
Anything.
Alright.
Not a bad play. But we are the man who say.
That's a my part.
If me no win that, watch out. Guys, you know look here. And this me have.
Boy, I went for the piece of tree.
Deandre, captain now.
Much time me no have. I can't mind today. You wanna win?
Play.
Take a composure pass and make you win?
Play.
Player. Yeah, I went by the
Wanna
tree.
lift you up?
But that can't play now.
Me know some. Oh, 4-2.
Guys, me win.
Me I check this on mine. Me I turn over and show now and say this a PM. But anyway, me take him to that win. Me give him that one there.
You give me a play for win. You play for win.
Right, Shelly, a nice one.
Chef hot?
Chef at this.
Which one? Oh. I don't think the chef hot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this one.
Just share.
I don't know if everybody eat no food, but me that one will share heavy.
I can cut that there. Daniel, eh?
Daniel?
I've been seeing a lobster like roach, you know, something.
I'm say, you love me now, look at you see?
True. Dwell in the dark, you know.
That's actually a nice though.
Facts.
This is our first guess. Our food taste.
Thing shot, bro.
Thing shot?
So
No, use a different.
Super shot. Remember anything you have?
super.
Super shot.
Super good.
Super good, yeah.
Shut off.
Yeah, man. And he say one small portion, and I know he soon ask one bigger portion. Sure. Man, enjoy me.
Fun. Right, tell them how the food tastes. How it tastes?
It's fire.
Tastes what?
It tastes like fire.
Tastes like fire?
You see that food there? A Uncle Chip food. You see it big?
So now we give me so much.
Yeah, man. I will stack up your belly. Cause someone in the comments say you need to eat more food. Yeah, man. So me do just that. Me I feed you.
Me a second like them a fat up uncle.
Auntie Ayashin say me fi feed you. So that me I do. Yeah, man. Simple it, eh?
Could I take some more rice?
You gonna take more rice?
Joke.
See that one I know for Daniel. Me I eat less food today. You want vegetable, Daniel?
Yeah, man, I can do some good.
Vegetable? I give you vegetable. Cause you want in your back. Come on, watch the way.
That me had the chicken for him.
So, come here.
Oh, that was very good job.
Yeah, man.
So they have,
Use the butter inside and you're
remember when the boat turn over? Daniel, remember? How should the okay going on?
My left one.
Your left hand.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, so yes, you know. And that time they just take up your pocket.
This is my food. Me nah share no wrong food. No man, I lick with a food.
No, man, you're
No,
wrong.
alright, watch out. Compare with all I plate them. Look.
So you don't give me so much.
Because if you eat no food, man. Vegetable so.
And this is not enough.
One
This is
gravy.
enough.
Gravy.
Healthy, good food, more gravy. I give him so much. You can't eat that so much, you know.
True gravy, man.
But anti-hyacinth,
I don't
it's
know.
the uncle chip to eat upon that. Exactly, me other.
Me man, me have to feed him up. Me have to feed him up. Me nah stop feeding him because auntie said me have to feed you up, so me have to feed you up. You see there? No more gravy, see there? Seal is seal. Daniel I do a good job with this. You see me?
Yeah, man, man do an excellent job.
One thing with him, we can count on him.
Facts.
Facts, you know, have a grip.
You know how to grape.
You want this is your food. This is our food now, so we are going to eat Uncle Chip, Uncle Kema, and Uncle Daniel. Yes, I. Food time. Daniel, come sit on beside your friend, no? You can't come sit on beside your friend.
That's some fingers, so we're not drink Pepsi, I'm not drink thing. Probably fast.
I think you love.
I don't know, I feel sexy.
See there? Nice meal.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
If you don't want someone to say nice, just comment and say nice.
Super nice, that's nice.
One day, you know, I have to come with the correct time now. And I have to accept it. I'm not holding on normal.
One thing is going to too much fun.
You get too much food? Well, you never want to hold my food still. You mean I lie? If you don't tell me so,
I still don't want no food, I'm looking at blood around.
no man, I little food. With all
This one is
honesty.
food. No food.
With all honesty, Osh. That's the truth, man.
No
You get
food.
no food. I'm not get no olive. Because I never want no olive. I'm about to say, auntie say, you will get no food. So I'm going to do that.
I'll never put that on for now.
Mm-hmm. You stock you up.
One. 12 they call it. A one, Daniel. A one.
What?
A one.
So one.
One.
I'm good to
Oh.
Daniel, if you rate the food out of 10, I rate it 1 million.
4 out of 10.
Wow. It's
But
very
I'm
fast
multiply, 1 million multiplied by
6 billion.
that's still underrated.
10 trillion billion and pound.
Get close now.
Mm-hmm.
Just can't rate.
But the bread is still good. Food is good, like really good. And a self-praise. Wonderful.
Yo, I want to tell them. If you don't love the food and love how you there, you don't say it with me. Buff beer. Buff beer.
Buff bear.
Buff beer.
Buff bear.
So why you not saying this one? Buff beer. Farms Villa.
No, but that's a repeat.
No, oh, well, you got that right. You got that right. So yo, Buff beer. Farms Villa. Trust me.
Come on, a place to be.
I know it's business.
That's alright.
You can't go wrong.
See that? Stay tuned. Yeah man, if I want to reach this far in our video, I don't know say.
Everybody
weird on.
sleep, all the way to sleep now. Well, sure me that sleep, none of them that sleep. But yeah man, peeps. Reach Power Patrol. Shake off the little sleepness.
I saw you go man. And we're there same way pan the Buff Beer Farms.
Villa.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
So wanna just stay tuned for more adventure yeah, man,
Yeah man, more come.
and definitely this villa have around 6 rooms available.
Yeah.
Around 6 to 5 rooms, somewhere there.
Yeah, 6.
And we're not going to see still so.
Come on, 'cause we are going to run through and thing.
Mm-hmm. So no stay tuned and remember like the video and share the video.
Yeah man.
See Uncle Daniel there. You see him quiet around there?
One uncle, I'm telling you already.
Look, wanna see what time it is?
What time now?
16 after 1.
16 after 1 in idea or night?
Night.
The night.
Should say morning. Morning should say.
Anyway, thanks for watching guys. We're there and we are go. He want to sleep, me want to sleep, Uncle Chip want to sleep. So,
I'm not working at night though.
you have to go in at night?
Yeah.
You get a whole heap of sleep already, you know, because him that sleep.
In that sleep I go for sure.
Him sleeping in boat the whole day.
That time I boat from where the
Yo,
him
him
get
put
that
him
one
up
now.
You know, say only man me say sleep in a water and sun in a boat. Told him
Me
good
need that sleep,
enough.
me just shake me
That
here
means
and
it's
Yo.
strong. That means it's strong.
Bruh.
A good, yeah.
Let me look.
Wait,
A man knows alone out of water and in a boat stay shark.
are you at the band? Are you at the band?
No, sir.
Hospital?
Eh,
Then get a bad injection and that's how you get
Sure.
sick.
But peeps, you know, speak
Buff
up
beer,
yourself,
my
you know.
Buff Beer?
Buff beer.
Buff Beer Farms Villa?
Buff-
I say one?
Hospital.
Yeah, man,
But
peeps,
no,
you know, speak
no,
up
it on
yourself.
clinic.
Oh, we love you. love and support that we get from each and everyone.
Yeah, man, we appreciate the whole of them, man. They like them and they comment them.
Hyacinth, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, she large and in charge.
Yeah, man, so let's say, yeah, man, you get enough food today and could manage to eat. Yeah, so
Yeah, man. Big up Ras Muggle TV to say.
Yeah, man, the whole on the big
Whole
up.
every massive, big up all massive. Every massive. And the whole I wanna, if you don't notice, we always respond to each and every one on the comment. I must compulsory if one slip with eye, but we try our best.
Much as my sleep, run through all of my comment them, you see me?
Yeah, man, yo.
I appreciate everyone on the comment.
You're going to a bit, man.
No, man, I swear I go through them
Yeah,
comments
that's
every
it.
night.
Guys,
People,
you
some
want
people
to
don't
check
believe.
it.
Look on the time, I mostly answer some, like, some of the comment them like 1 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and
You talk about that, man.
I will
Check
try
some.
if we do video during the day and show no what go on and what take place.
Share with lifestyle. you know.
Even later, we have a next video.
Oh yeah, daddy.
Yeah, man.
Daddy birthday.
Before the birthday.
So
yeah,
I will
man.
cook some
So,
food and something.
Yeah, man.